Want to shut down your Windows PC with just one click? In this video, I show you a super simple ways to create a shutdown shortcut on your desktop. Let's start together. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop, click on New and click on Shortcuts and type command Shutdown. Click on Next and name it Shutdown. Right-click the Shutdown shortcut and select the Properties. Click Change Icon and select the Power button icon or any icon you like. Then apply it. Anyway, you can also create shortcuts for other functions. Here are the commanded. You can also create shortcuts for restart PC, sleep mode, or lock screen. If you found this trick useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Windows tips. Let me know in the comments and what other shortcuts you want to learn. See you in next video.